Another example of differentiation. Once you recognize the structure, the danger is averted. We have 20 times x squared minus 4x times e to the power of 2 minus x plus 5. We can see here at the end, I'll highlight it in red. This part here, plus 5, disappears when differentiating. It's not a constant factor. It has nothing to do with the front part here. And up here we see a u part, or if you prefer u of x, and the v part, or v of x. That means when you find the first derivative, the 5 drops out. And this part basically has to be differentiated using the product rule. F of x equals u times v plus u times v. When we differentiate the v part in a moment, we'll need the chain rule again, or rather the basics for differentiating the exponential function with base e. For the first part, differentiate u. Here too you can now decide whether to multiply the 20 in or leave it outside. The constant factor remains, then the expression in parentheses is differentiated. 2x minus 4 times the v part is carried over, e to the power of 2 minus x plus the u part is carried over times, and now the v part is differentiated. First, we have to carry over e to the power of 2 minus x. It stays as it is, but it is also multiplied by the derivative of the exponent 2 minus x. And at this point, that would be minus 1 minus x would be minus 1 times x. 2 drops out when differentiating. Minus 1 times x differentiated is minus 1. At this point we can simplify now. I'll take out the e part first. 2 minus x remains. 20 times 2x minus 4 plus 20 times x squared minus 4x times minus 1. This times minus 1 only refers to this part here. You can also factor out the 20 now. You could have done that right away. You can also leave it in. I'll put it in front now. E to the power of 2 minus x, then what's left is 2x minus 4. I can leave out the parentheses now. Here, if you multiply the minus 1 into the parentheses, you get minus x squared plus 4x. And now we can combine terms here. 2x and 4x make 6x, so we're left with minus x squared plus 6x minus 4. I'll leave the 20 in front and write e to the power of 2 minus x here. That's actually how you're used to seeing it even in the verification results. You have factors here, so that's why I can write e either in the front or at the end here. So I think that's the verification result, and then you can continue accordingly. For example, set it equal to 0, take the second derivative. There was a lot in there again. Once again, as always, spot the structure, avoid mistakes. Know the math vocabulary, avoid mistakes. You should get through this easily.